For about $125, you can get 76,000 American airline miles. That's why this is the Barclays Aviator Business Mastercard World Elite Credit Card Review. That is a long name, but that's everything to it. But in this Barclays Business Credit Card Review, we're going over their American Airlines credit card, the Aviator card, and how to get 76,000 American airline miles for $125. Now, American Airlines sells their miles, and if it's on sale at the very best sale possible, you can buy 76,000 miles for $1,350. Whereas you start a business, because you can get an EIN for free, or you can get the credit card as a sole proprietor. As a person that's just starting their new business, it's very possible for you to get this credit card. And if you don't spend any money at all and just do manufactured spend, all you would spend is $125. That's $95 for the annual fee and $30 in manufactured spend, which gets you 76,000 American airline miles, which is enough to fly business class one way anywhere in the world. Now, I am not a rich person. I did not grow up rich, but I love living the rich lifestyle, which is possible for me to attain through frequent flyer miles, credit card promotions, and all that. I really love flying in business class. First class is too much for me, but I'm a humble, stay in business class, more comfortable seats, better food. Even if you're flying during the pandemic, you're still going to get a significantly better experience. It's actually very similar to the personal card, but the personal card has a much lower spend requirement of one purchase. You can spend $1 and get the miles. So let's dig into the sign-up bonus. The sign-up bonus gives you 65,000 American airline miles if you spend $1,000 within 90 days of opening the account. Pretty achievable. That's like spending $333 per month. And then you get an additional 10,000 American airline miles after the first purchase on an employee card. I added an employee card for my brother, and when the card arrived at the mail, I just set it up myself and made a $1 donation to teamtrees.org. One tree is now available thanks to me wanting to get frequent flyer miles and only spend $1. If this has been helpful, please like the video, because that tells me that, hey, you like this content, and it also tells YouTube that they should show this video to more people. Now, if you're sticking around, let's dig into the details. For the benefits, you get your first bag checked free with American Airlines on domestic routes only, and that includes you and up to 4 travel companions flying on the same itinerary. It does include a companion certificate, but you're not going to want to bother because you have to spend like $30,000 anyway. And it's only good for like flights on American Airlines, so yeah, it's not worth it. Preferred boarding for you and up to 4 travel companions, really good. 3,000 elite qualifying dollars, but you have to spend $25,000 to get that. 5% bonus on your miles earned on your account anniversary. That's a nothing. So if you're getting 1x on the card, that 5% bonus means you're getting 1.05x throughout the year. The earning rate on the card is pretty much 1x on everything and 2x at American Airlines, office stores, telecom, and car rentals. The important thing is the Aviator Business Credit Card Churnable. Yes, 6 months after closing the card, you can apply again. Now, you could try applying for the same business, or you could try applying for another business. You know, if you have multiple businesses going on, this is Dan's eBay shop, this is Dan's YouTube channel, this is Dan's blog, this is Dan's finance blog, this is Dan's food blog, this is Dan's food channel. You could really mix things up there. Since the card has a $95 annual fee and serves no purpose or value after the first year, you're going to want to cancel the card after the first year. Barclays and the Aviator card are actually very different. So when I signed up for the Barclays card and I received the card, I tried to set up my account. You can't set it up at the Barclays site. you have to set it up at the Aviator business card site, which is run by Juniper credit cards. So there is a difference there. You have to read the details on that letter rather than just getting the credit card and trying to hit go. I normally throw out that letter just because okay, I know what this is and sign up. But I was very surprised to see that there is a different platform for the business side of the Aviator business credit card. But there are two very generous benefits with the card. One, it's the Mastercard World Elite. I recently made a video on the value you can get from Mastercard World Elite cards. And one of my favorite things is the cell phone insurance. All you have to do is pay your cell phone bill with a Mastercard World Elite card, and you have automatic insurance on whatever phone you're using as long as you pay with that credit card for that phone service. There are many more details, but we're just going to touch on the light ones. So with MasterCard, they also have MasterCard Easy Savings if you have the Mastercard World Elite business card. And Easy Savings gives you a lot of extra value. Even though the business card only gets 1x at most places, MasterCard Easy Savings actually gives you cash back on additional categories. With the Aviator business card, you actually get 1% back on Fuelman Network. That's Exxon, Mobil, Shell, 76. So you're getting 1x in points and 1% back in cash, making it like a 2% back card. And you get 4% back on eligible restaurants, which are Pizza Hut, Panda Express, Jersey Mike's, and a few more. More details on the MasterCard Easy Savings sites. And you also get 4% back when booking hotels through the MasterCard program, 5% back at Budget and Avis. So these are some pretty decent benefits for a business card and an airline card. Most airline cards are pretty useless, but since this is a MasterCard World Elite, it comes with a lot more benefits than what they advertise. The companion certificate is worthless. You have to spend $30,000 and then pay $99 to use the companion certificate. And yeah, I would not recommend using it because it's only valid on round-trip domestic economy class flights. Yeah, you spend $30,000. You could have got, well, you do get 30,000 points, but you could have got $30,000 worth of spend in other credit card bonuses. So it absolutely does not make sense to go for the companion certificate bonus unless you really want a round-trip economy flights domestically with American Airlines, Compass Airlines, Envoy Airlines, Republic, SkyWest, Mesa, PSA Airlines, or Piedmont Airlines. Those are mostly regional carriers where the certificate is valid. But the true value of the card is the 76,000 American airline miles for $125. That is a round trip anywhere in America, or you could get much more value flying in business class one way anywhere in the world. Pretty much anywhere but the South Pacific. You can go to the Middle East, you can go to Asia, you can go to Europe, one way in business class. So indirectly, you can get an amazing value. You just have to know how to use it. And that's been my review of the Barclays Aviator business card. For more information, check out the description, like the video, that helps me out. And if there's any other credit card reviews you'd like to know, let me know in the comments. Or if you need help planning a trip, let's say, hey Dan, I got me and my girlfriend and we want to fly to Romania. What is our best strategy? What kind of cards do we need? Help me out with a plan. I'm on Reddit a lot, so check out the Full Value subreddit. So if you have any questions, let me know there. I also post some very limited time deals that you might be interested in. Also doing the YouTube Shorts thing. So subscribe for that. Otherwise, catch you next time on the next Full Value video. I don't like that. I'm probably going to redo that ending. Catch you next time. Until next value. Damn. If you have a better end, just let me know. Let me know in the comments if you have a better idea for something to say at the end of a video. Yeah, do people have a catchphrase? I don't like, yeah, I just get into it. All right. Yeah. I should probably cut this out, but I won't.